Hi everyone, this is Hannah Sumner with Solid Source Realty. Today we're going to be doing another walkthrough. We're walking through the Bayfield floor plan built by Smith Douglas Homes. This home is being built in the Oakdale subdivision in downtown Dawsonville. It's an awesome location near lots of shopping and the North Georgia Premium Outlets. This floor plan is super accessible, master on main with an awesome bonus room above the garage. It offers an extended family room, open and airy main living level. The finishes are awesome at the base level and the price point is perfect. The lots are going very fast though, so click my information down below. My phone number and email address are right there for you, or visit my website anytime. Let's go take a look at this home. All right, let's take a look around this beautiful floor plan. This is an open concept ranch plan. This is an awesome, beautiful living space. There's a little sitting area here on your right when you walk in the front door, right down the hallway. You've got your fireplace on the diagonal, open living area. You can see your dining area here, and that is open to the kitchen with a big island. Let's take a look around this kitchen. In this new construction plan up here in Dawsonville, you've got awesome subway tile, granite countertops. All of this comes standard at the base level with Smith Douglas Homes. Soft close drawers, range. You've got beautiful sink with a window. All of this is standard. I'm going to show you this big island and big pantry for lots of storage. This is the upgraded lighting package, the farmhouse lighting package that's available to you. So much is available with Smith Douglas Homes, and there is so much to be had here in Dawsonville. The new construction in Dawsonville is just overwhelming. There's so many opportunities up here. I can't wait to show you around. My information is down below. Just click down there and let's make an appointment to go check out this home. Look how awesome this living area is. Looking back at the front door, you can go see these secondary bedrooms. 2 bedrooms right off the main hallway here. Great size. They've both got walk-in closets. Plenty of space for your guests or kids. Home office, anything you need. There's a full bath that they share. All of these vanities can be upgraded to marble countertops. Such an awesome space. Take a look at this other bedroom here. We've got our awesome on-site agent that was working hard that day. And look at this master bedroom. It is perfect. It's so cozy in here. Huge king-size bed, plenty of room to walk around, oversized furniture. It has it all. There's a tray ceiling in this room. They've really outdone themselves with the finishes, and this is all below $300,000 in Dawsonville, Georgia. Tile surround shower and bathtub, beautiful picture window, lots of designs to choose from. They've upgraded to the marble countertop and separate vanities. And take a look at this, everyone. You can walk through to this huge walk-in closet that comes standard in this plan. And I think that this is so convenient. When you walk through to this walk-in closet, it takes you right into the laundry room. Easy access to do your laundry. And that takes you right back out to the hallway. So easy. What an awesome and thoughtful floor plan. I love that. Smith Douglas Homes outdid themselves, all for under $300,000 right here in Dawsonville. Now we're back out off the living room. You can take these stairs right up to the bonus room. Huge space over the garage. What an awesome addition. Walk-in closet and a full bath up here. This is the perfect space for your in-laws, your teen, an office space, whatever you need it to be. This space can be anything. Huge attic storage up here. Store your Christmas trees, store whatever you need. It's ready for you. Just showing you around how much room is actually up here. It's so usable. Right off the family room, we've got this covered patio, and what is so cool about this plan is you can extend the family room out for just an additional $4,500 and have additional living space right onto this patio. Or you can have a covered patio. There are so many options. This is the Oakdale subdivision, and look at these huge lots ready to build on in Dawsonville, Georgia, all under $300,000. Ready to go. How stunning is this home? Check out my information below. Give me a call, like and subscribe. I can't wait to talk to you.